Welcome back everyone. Hope you all good and healthy at your place. In this video you will learn session 4 web blog part 2nd how to host a online blog. So the first example of this is WordPress. It is an open source content management system, that is CMS, or we can say WordPress is a factory that makes web pages. I hope you might be knowing that what is web pages. All those pages which are published in the internet in which you can get the information is called a web page. Now, now I'll show you how to host a WordPress or create an account. So before telling you that, let me tell you there are two types of different platforms of WordPress, that is wordpress.org and wordpress.com. So wordpress.org means this platform is the real WordPress. This means it is the most popular website platform. It is a open source and 100% free for anyone to use, and wordpress.com is a hosting service created by the co-founder of the WordPress. It is a free for anyone for at least 1 year, and every element present in this software in this site is free for 1 year, and after that the person or the blogger have to pay for it. Now we will learn how to use wordpress.com and how to log in, how to create a blog, how to create a page. Okay, so first we will use a browser and use the URL www.wordpress.com. You will get the interface this way. You can see here on the screen. Okay, this way you will get the interface. After this, how we will log in this. If you are new in this website and in the blogging world, you will get start. Okay, you will get start and do the following procedure whatever it will tell you. So I'm not new here, so for login one I'll get this kind of interface where it will ask you for the email address or continue with the Gmail account which I have already logged in. So I will click continue with my Gmail account. Then it will ask me, is it your Gmail account? Are you able or are you want to log in with this? So I'll say yes, click over it. Now it will take some few couples of minutes to join with my account. Now this is the first front page, you can say, when you will log in into the wordpress.com, right? And you can see here this is the title bar, header section where you can see my site, reader, and here this is a right option where you can create a new post, and this is my profile, and this is the notification where you can get the all the task done by your follower or you here. Now as this is the incomplete profile, here it is asking wordpress.com in the palm of your hand. That means you can download the application as well to get daily update and to get daily post by your followers, by you to the people. Now I'll show you how to use second blogging platform, that is bloggers.com. That is blogger.com. So very first we have to open the page www.blogger.com. Okay, when you will turn on this URL, when you will open the page, this kind of interference you will get. See, fine. So the very first step is to sign in. For signing in, you have to click over in the sign in, and if your desktop or laptop is already opened with your Gmail account, it will directly go to that page where your Gmail account will be in on the screen, and it will ask, do you want to open this bloggers.com with your Gmail account? You will click yes. When you will click over it, over the Gmail account, it will directly all the procedure of connecting your Gmail account with the blogger.com will be done by the bloggers, means blogging part. After login, your interface will be this way. You can see here, this is my profile, and this is the different Google application, and this is blogger, and here it is asking for new blog. Okay, and here's the setting, and user setting means if your profile is incomplete, you can edit your profile. Some information you want to add, you can add with this option. Again, here reading list means you can read here all those things, all those profile or those article to whom which you have followed. Suppose you are following some company, some firm, or some writer, you can see here whatever things they are posting, you can read here. Okay, here you can see, and you can share your article and your things in these application, in these software, like get a link. Here you can create a link of your post. You can share your article in the Facebook, in Twitter, in Pinterest, Google Plus, email. Okay, so this way we can create any account, we can log in any account. Let's see how we can create any blog. So first, title we can write. Title means what is think about, you can write what is the title of your article. Suppose I want to write, what is a computer? Okay, this is the title of my article. Address, domain. Again, it's asking com or whatever you want to write. I want to write IT Gyan for you. If it will be available, then only it will show you, otherwise it will show you the red mark. What else we can write? hm.blogspot. No, it is also not available. Whatever name we are keeping here, it is showing that this blog address is invalid, or sorry, this blog address is not available. That means whatever we are writing here, that post is already, that address is already used by someone. So we have to find it out, that is there any name which is not used by any person or any site. So I tried so much. After that I got this word techno maze 456. See here, yes, this blog address is available. That means nobody has used this one address for their blog, so I am using it. And here it is asking for selecting the theme. That means you can select any theme which you can find is easy. So I'm using this one, the basic one, create a blog. So now it is creating our blog. After that we will go to the next page. Next page means the main page where we will create it. What is a computer? No thanks. Identify the content. So this way we can create our content. So this is the end of session 4, web blogging. I hope you understand each and everything whatever I shown you practically. If you understood everything, please hit the like button and subscribe for the new content. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay positive. Take care.